watch I Love Nicole version.
Yes. And we've been through this.
Nicole is the bestest person in the whole wide world. Don't you agree, Mrs. Cook?
Sure.
Why? No, you don't. You're like, I don't care. Nicole's like, make her care.
Oh.
How the hell can I make you care?
I don't know. Makes me care.
She's beautiful. Yes, Nicole, you have the world's cutest dimples, and I saw the video of you at lunch, and your cute curly hair, and you giggling. Oh!
Can we go back and we just cut through this way?
Do you expect me to go all the way down this damn hill? I might end up falling like the fat man on the salt. Shut up.
You can walk down though.
No, I can't. I'm falling.
Let me think. Oops.
Alright, have fun, Miss Cook.
Wait, are we going now or no?
Down. Baby, are you down, 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 even if the sky is falling down. Run.
I was running down this thing.
Why?
I died.
No, you wouldn't. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
I'm not coming back up if I make it down.
I'm scared. I'm too scared. I can't.
In the tree.
That would be like me and Nicole. Oh, shit. I hate you.
You can do it. Go. 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 Be careful. You get like right here.
Where?
Right up this branch. It isn't bad.
Oh God! Allie? How the hell did you get down there?
I'm amazing.
Oh, and Nicole, by the way, our swings are down there. I can't really put them out, but they're like around there. All right. Oh shit! I'm like really scared right now. Ah! Shut up!
If I can do it, you can do it.
Ah! My God! Plus, I'm recording for Nicole, so it's really embarrassing. Okay, I'm going down. I'm going down. Going down.
See what
Whee! I got down!
See?
Let's go down the hills.
I kind of want to roll down the hill, but I'm afraid there's gonna be like a rock and a stick sticking out.
Oh my gosh! Let's do that! Stop, drop, and roll. Can I be like Dakota?
Wait for the emo people to go by. I just see the ultra pink hair. Like, can you see it?
Ultra pink hair.
You see it, right? Like
Emo kids.
Oh no, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, he had the belt thing around his leg.
Those are that's a group of emo kids with pink hair.
All the other ones are like brunettes, and then there's that random pink hair.
Oh, it's a girl.
Yeah, I see that. I'd hope it was.
La, 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 la. Born this way, born this way, born this way, born this way. Yes, Nicole, I own the same exact shirt as you. I'm proud. Pink hair. Oh my God! You can see that girl with pink hair. Listen. Come on.
Oh, I thought we were going.
Bye, the emo kid. Come on, Allie. Oh, you look so pretty out in the sun. The sun is like in your
freak me out.
Oh, Nicole is beautiful.
Okay.
Yes, Nicole, you are very beautiful.
It's a sitting place to see those people are in it.
Let's go on the beach. This is what everything looks like right now. I wish you were here with me, cuddling. Allie, if I could, I would.
Baby pine tree.
Shut up.
Baby pine tree.
Allie, if I could, I would replace you with Nicole.
That's great.
I would. I just want to cuddle with her, okay?
I'll keep that in mind.
Right now, she's in Transylvania with her daddy and her.
The vampire.
Yes. Nicole, I love you. I love Nicole Verdi. I love Nicole. I'm screaming. I love Nicole. I love Nicole. People are getting weird looks. Shut up! I'm screaming. I love Nicole.
I love Nicole. So what is it? This is. It just made my day.
Why is it all wet?
You do. I don't know.
It's all wet. It's all wet. Is it wet over here? It's a baby pine.
So close to like the lake.
Here's me. Hi, Nicole.
Look at my baby pine tree.
Oh my gosh, you look so pretty in the sun right there. Oh my gosh, no really, you look gorgeous.